Welcome to Tuoba's brake pad replacement guide. Remove the wheel. Release the brake hose from its bracket. Locate the two caliper mounting bolts. Loosen the bolts with the correct tool. Remove both mounting bolts. Lift the caliper away from the rotor. Remove the inner and outer brake pads. Compare the old and new brake pads. Use an old brake pad as a spacer. Push the caliper piston fully back. Make sure the piston is fully retracted. Install the inner pad with the wear indicator at the bottom. Check the caliper guide pins. Clean, lubricate, and reinstall each guide pin. Service the upper guide pin the same way. Reinstall the caliper. Tighten the caliper bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque. Secure the brake hose in its bracket. Reinstall the wheel and tighten the wheel bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque. Before driving, press the brake pedal until it feels firm.